Energy is life. Energy moves our world. It's the cornerstone of every modern society and economy. Today, Asia is one of the largest developing markets, rapidly gaining global influence. With 4.3 billion people, Asia represents 60% of the world population. High population growth, economic output, and consumption confronts large parts of Asia with enormous challenges in energy supply. Energy demand has grown 72.5% between year 2000 and 2010. And there's no foreseeable end to this trend. Asia's share of worldwide energy consumption is expected to rise from 34% today to 50% in 2035. The world economy relies heavily on fossil fuel. Our machines and industry are powered by oil, coal, and natural gas. But these fuels are rapidly depleting. The energy sector in Malaysia has undergone significant changes since 1990s. This was driven by the government's aim to enhance supply security, improve efficiency and quality in utility services, and increase private sector participation in infrastructure development of the power sector. Energy generation in Malaysia is projected to grow at an average annual rate of 2.8%, doubling from 105.1 terawatt-hours in 2009 to 217 terawatt-hours in 2035. The impending reduction of fossil fuel subsidies, depleting resources, limited alternative power sources, and greater environmental awareness has ignited a shift in energy reliance towards sustainable renewable energy. Amcorp Group Berhad, with a history of over 100 years since its inception, is a well-diversified group with major investments in financial services, engineering, infrastructure, plantation, property development and investments. A public-listed subsidiary of the group, Amcorp Properties Berhad has built a credible track record in projects ranging across all sectors of the property industry, including commercial, industrial and residential projects within and beyond Malaysia. Numerous awards and accolades has been received to prove our track record in delivering the best in property and infrastructure development projects. In power and infrastructure services, Amcorp Properties Berhad's wholly owned subsidiary, Amcorp Power Sendirian Berhad, were among the early pioneers to answer to the government's call to develop renewable energy sector projects. Our flagship renewable energy project, Amcorp Perting 4 megawatt mini hydro power plant, located in Sungai Perting, Bentong, in the state of Pahang, Malaysia, was commissioned on 31st December 2009 and has been running on full capacity to date. The power plant utilizes the run-of-the-river methodology to generate clean electrical energy. From December 2009 to December 2013, it has generated a total of 67,754 megawatt-hours of renewable energy. The annual greenhouse gas emission reduction from this project is estimated to be 17,380 tons of CO2 equivalent, displacing part of the electricity generated by the grid-dominated conventional fossil fuel-fired power plants and reducing the carbon footprint left behind by the burning of such fuels. Unpolluted water exiting from the mini hydro power plant is returned back to nature, forming part of the scenic Chamang waterfall, which has now become even more popular amongst many holiday makers from all over Malaysia. Various stringent measures are instilled by the project operators to ensure the surrounding environment remains eco-friendly with minimal negative impact. Extreme care exercised during the construction of Amcorp Perting 4 megawatt mini hydro power plant was another facet contributing to the success of the project. The project was awarded winner in the On-Grid category in the ASEAN Energy Awards 2012 and Silver Award of Merit for Category 4 Renewable Energy in the Engineering Award 2013. Committed to sustainable energy for the future generation, the group expanded its renewable energy business to its latest venture, Amcorp Gemas 10.25 megawatt solar power plant located in Gemas, Negeri Sembilan. The solar plant was successfully commissioned in December 2013 and has been running on full capacity ever since. In 2014, this plant was acknowledged by the Malaysia Book of Records as the largest grid-connected solar farm in Malaysia. Amcorp Power Gemas Solar Farm project generates the total of 10.25 megawatt connected to main intake substation PMU Gemas at the voltage of 11 kilovolts. The solar farm is capable of generating energy capacity of 41,000 kilowatt hours per day or 1.2 million kilowatt hours per month to meet the electricity demands during peak periods. The solar farm comprises of 41,076 pieces of polycrystalline photovoltaic PV solar module, producing energy for a feed-in tariff concession period of 21 years. The annual greenhouse gas emission reduction from this project is estimated to be 7,086 tons of CO2 equivalent. The solar farm project, covering an area of over 34 acres, was constructed under extremely tight schedule and was completed within 4 months. The global depletion of fossil fuel, limited alternative power sources, and greater environment awareness for our future generation has ignited Amcorp Power's drive and commitment to develop sustainable renewable energy power plants within and someday beyond Malaysia. Amcorp Power, renewable energy for sustainable future.